Do you want free code reviews inside of Neovim? Inline comments of things you should be doing differently? And matching code actions so you can apply the fixes suggested? Then you're going to want to check out my Coderabbit plugin for Neovim. Now, why would you want to use this? Well, you actually get free reviews in your terminal. So I think it's something like 4 reviews now, which is quite generous. You may as well. It might catch something you missed. So yeah, once you're on the plugin page, I'd really appreciate if you click and install Coderabbit from my link. Throw something my way, why not? If not, that's fine. All you want to do is install CLI and then log into the CLI. And then you can install the plugin by doing Vimpack add and the plugin name or LazyVim also. All the instructions are on the README. And rather than just talking through all the commands, let's just show you. So if we jump into our Neovim here and we do Coderabbit review, it's going to start a code review. Now we can actually tell it what we want to review. So do we want it to review all of the changes? That's the default. If you just put review, it'll review all. You can do committed, which means it'll only review things you've committed, or uncommitted is just basically the same thing, uncommitted things. So the Coderabbit review is finished, and as you can see, it's now populated the LSP. So if I do Coderabbit show, as you can see, it pulls up the code review here, and you can have a look at the in-depth comments, the suggested fix, and things like that. No problem. If we do search diagnostics with Telescope, we can pull up all the diagnostics, no problem. Let's say if we want to go to this error one, here we go. So we've got the error inline here. It's going to display it there. I can pull up the diagnostics and read what it says. I can see if it's got any code actions. So if it's got a suggested fix, I can do code actions with LSP, and boom, there you go. It's got a suggestion for me. And I can just literally apply that fix, and boom, it's done. Similarly, I can also clear this. So if I want to get rid of the suggestions, boom, they're gone. I can re-review it. I can also restore them. So if I go Coderabbit history, and let's say if we go for, yeah, this number one, I can view the history of all the code reviews I've had in the past in this branch. So as you can see, I can view all the comments it's left, all the suggestions. Same as if I go to a different one, I can view the suggestions that it suggested that time. I can restore them. So if I do Coderabbit restore, I think it was number one we just did, right? As you can see, look, it's back. So yeah, between the code reviewing, the inline diagnostics, the code actions, I think this is a must-have in your Neovim setup. What do you think? Okay, so that was my Coderabbit plugin. Again, if you would click the link in the description or the link on the repo here and sign up to Coderabbit with my link, I'd really appreciate it. If you have any issues, feel free to go on GitHub, file an issue, file a bug report, feature request, whatever you fancy. Anything that can be done with the CLI should be possible in Neovim 2. And yeah, catch you in the next one. See you later, guys.